Welcome. If you've ever wanted to save all the voice messages from a Telegram channel directly to your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Telegram update, exporting voice messages is easier than ever. Here's a simple, step-by-step guide to help you get it done quickly and efficiently. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're using the desktop version, as this feature isn't available on the mobile app. Once you're logged in, head over to the channel from which you want to export voice messages. Next, click on the channel's name at the top of the chat window. This will open the channel's contact info panel, where you can see details about the channel and access additional options. Look for the 3 dots in the upper right corner of the contact info panel. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Export Chat History. This is the key feature that lets you save all kinds of content from the channel, including voice messages, straight to your computer. A new window will pop up with several export options. Here, you'll see checkboxes for different types of content. Make sure to check the box labeled Voice Messages. You can also choose other media types if you want, but for this guide, we're focusing on voice messages only. After you've made your selection, click the Export button to begin the process. Telegram will now gather all the voice messages from the channel and save them to your chosen folder on your PC. Depending on the size of the channel's history, this may take a few moments. Once the export is complete, you'll find your voice messages neatly organized in the export folder, ready for playback or backup. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can export all voice messages from any Telegram channel on your PC. This feature is perfect for archiving important audio, saving memorable conversations, or simply keeping your favorite voice notes handy. Give it a try and make the most of Telegram's powerful export tools.